Hi there everyone, my name's Cornelius, I'm with IAG and we're here at Audio Device Live 2026 in Raleigh. Tell you guys a little bit about one of the systems here that we have. We've got the brand new Wharfedale Elysian 4Rs. This is our flagship modern loudspeaker, three-way AMT tweeter, separate mid-range and dedicated dual bass drivers. Next to it we've got the smallest out of the range, the Elysian 1R. There were two extra models in between, but we're just switching between the two here at the show. Running all that, we have the full Audiolab stack. So this is the flagship range from Audiolab as well, the 9000 series. We have the 9000N streamer going into the 9000Q preamplifier, and we have two 9000P power monoblocks, all running off of the Audiolab DC Block 6. If you want to learn more about our products, check out Wharfedale's website and Audiolab, and of course Audio Device. Thanks.